Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'd just like to give you a couple of ideas on working for overtones when you're playing the piano, because it's so wonderful when you get a tone that has color. And so many people have stiff wrists and they just push the key down, and that just ruins everything. But you can often make even a poor piano sound beautiful if you know how to create overtones. So it starts with understanding physics and starts with your body being relaxed. So you sit tall, sitting on the front half of the bench, room to stand between your instrument and your bench, feet flat on the floor, and you just have to be able to understand that gravity plays a part and momentum plays a part, a big part. So if you can have that elbow free at your side to flop back to your side and then just whip it out toward the back of the piano. When you whip it up and out, it's kind of like water skiing off the wharf. If you're on it and the rope is, you know when you're ready. You've got a slack rope and you know when to let go of that rope, and when you yell hit it and the boat pushes into gear, you jump up off the wharf and land in the water, and in is the key word. It's like the keyboard. You have to explore that depth below the piano keyboard. You have to be able to dip down with your wrist, like a smiley face, dip down in. And when you can do that, and then roll the weight on the flesh of the finger up, that the back of the hand is rolling up toward the back of up toward the fallboard, it's the point at which you start to take that little flick with your finger, because if you do it too soon, it's thin, it doesn't have the use of the weight. But if you can do the water skiing image and go like that, then you're going to get it. If I take the Lord's Prayer, I can do it with each note of each triplet and think of releasing like that. So I hope that gives you a few ideas on working for that lovely singing tone, because it makes your practicing so much more enjoyable. Anyway, have a good night. Bye-bye.